This is the incredible moment an eagle flies over the mountain peaks in what has been described as one of the most beautiful places on Earth. The majestic bird soars through a tiny opening between two snow-capped mountains in the Italian Alps. The breathtaking footage was captured by drone videographer Alex Valta, who was exploring the stunning landscape of the dome. Alex, 32, had been flying his drone over the mountains when he spotted the golden eagle, one of the largest and most powerful birds of prey in the world. It was swooping and diving through the air with its characteristic wingspan of up to 8 feet. The videographer managed to keep his drone in the air alongside the eagle for several minutes as it hunted for food before the bird disappeared behind some rocks. Speaking about the incredible encounter, Alex said, I couldn't believe my eyes. Seeing it live was truly spectacular. I've seen eagles before, but never one flying so close to the drone. It was an amazing experience. I felt privileged to witness such an incredible and rare sight. Golden eagles can be found across the northern hemisphere, but the Italian Alps are home to one of the largest populations of these magnificent creatures. Alex, who has more than 100,000 followers on Instagram, often shares footage of his drone adventures across Europe. He said he was simply flying his drone for fun when the eagle appeared out of nowhere. He added, I was really lucky because there's only a small window between those two mountains. So, for the eagle to pass right through, it was quite a coincidence. I managed to follow it for a few minutes until it disappeared. Behind the rocks, I assume it had found something to eat. Eagles have such sharp talons that they can kill animals 3 times their size. So I'm sure it had an easy meal. The stunning footage shows the eagle flying past jagged cliffs and through a tiny gap between two mountains. At one point, the bird seems to disappear from view before reappearing higher up in the sky. Alex said the eagle didn't seem to mind his drone at all. He said, it was completely focused on what it was doing and did not pay any attention to my drone. I think it was too focused on hunting to care about anything else. The videographer was eventually forced to land his drone as he had reached the end of his flight path. But he said the eagle continued soaring above the mountains for several more minutes. He said, I could have followed it for much longer, but my drone had almost run out of battery. When it disappeared behind the rocks, I knew it would be hard to find again. So I decided to head back. As soon as I landed, it flew straight towards me, probably wondering where I had gone. It circled above me for a while before disappearing over the mountain. I knew then that it was time to go. Alex said he hopes his footage will inspire others to appreciate the beauty of nature. He said, I love sharing my videos with people because I want them to see what I see. The Italian Alps are truly one of the most beautiful places on Earth, and I feel very lucky to live close by. If you look after nature, it will look after you. These places are so important for our planet, and I hope my videos can help protect them.